Damn, she actually scratched it. She actually scratched it. This is...
Oh my god, I hope you scratched.
Let's see if this will actually work.
Hey girl. Hey Patricia. How are you? I'm chilling, but like, I just have a quick question. What? Oh my god, tell me. So like, are you with your mans right now? I mean, cause I just seen on Instagram that he was with like some chick and he actually posted her and they're out in Red Lobster. I am so mad right now. No, you know what? You just gave me a great idea. We're up to no good tonight, huh, girl? I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna lie. We're just filming a short little movie just to make it funny, just to make it exciting. She was scratching the windows. So I told her as the director, I was like, hey, go ahead and scratch it. Just try your hardest. And turns out that not only did she scratch it, but it's a lot worse than it was before. So that tells me two things. Number one, be careful with your windows. And number two, I guess let's see what happens. Let's see if we can actually fix this, because the window's a lot more scratched than it was before. So let's see if we can fix them.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! How's it going, everybody? You know, it's Patrick Holmes. You know what it is. Shout out to the 84 subscribers. I know you guys have been waiting by your phones for the past 3 weeks, waiting for another video, waiting to see the pugs again. Today, we're talking about the Jeep Wrangler JL. We got some scratches on it. If you have a soft top, you know they're expensive. You can't just go and buy another one. Wait. You hear that sound? Where's that coming from? Whether you're on a trail and some branches hit it, sometimes you're leaving it in your garage, you're going on trails, maybe you have a dog, a man's best friend, and they're inside scratching it while you're trying to take them to the dog park. I don't know, but whatever the case might be, we're gonna be here today and we're gonna help fix it. We have some products by Novus, and hopefully this can heal our soft top, because obviously the soft top is very expensive. The cha-ching's ready. All right. Now, pretty much, you're just gonna start off by washing it, and once you have it nice and clean, you can get some Windex, wash that off. You're gonna use the Novus. The Novus product, that's what we have here today. It's a 3-step process, and we're gonna start with level 3. I'm gonna put it on real nice and good. We're gonna go to number 2, and then to the spray number 3. So stay with us, we're gonna get to it right now. What? Oh shoot, we have a new challenger! A new challenger has just approached. So this guy thinks that he can clean the windshield better than Novus. I don't know. We got this dollar toothpaste here. We're gonna try the Colgate on the other side of the Jeep and see if this guy's got anything to work with. So let's see what happens. Overall, I think it definitely worked. Still got some scratches here and there, but the bottles are pretty big. We're gonna go ahead and keep applying it. Definitely way better than it was before. The Colgate did not help at all. Don't try to put toothpaste on it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that that helped you out reviewing this product for you guys. Just be careful with your soft top because it does scratch really easily, and obviously it's pretty expensive. So yes, this does help, but obviously, you know, you don't. Don't make anybody mad because they might just scratch your soft top, you know. So be careful on the trail. You know, be careful wherever you go, and take care of your soft top, just like it takes care of you. So thank you guys. Enjoy your rest of your week. Thank you for the 84 subscribers. Hopefully we can get 16 more and hit 100. You know, that'd be awesome. You know, so yeah, like the video. Take care. Later.